Hey everyone, I wanted to take a minute and go through a little behind the scenes sneak peek of what we do in our production facility here at Confederation. Approximately 5 days ago we laid the bottom logs down for this house, and today is the day that we are going to do a final check, dismantle, package up, and ship to the site. Each of our homes are pre-cut, pre-numbered, test fitted, and pre-assembled, and we invite the client to come in and inspect before we take the house down and ship to the job site. It's just part of the quality control here we do at Confederation. So let's have a look at tearing this house down. So now that the house is totally dismantled and out of the production facility, it's stored here in our storage warehouse, where we will be coordinating with the clients and the contractor on when excavation will be done, foundation will be in, and subfloors on, so that we can coordinate the log delivery. But it's all stored here under roof until it's needed on site, and then it's just a reassembly on the client's subfloor. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to check out the floor plan for this house, we'll put a link in below, and let us know what you think. Do you like this floor plan? Do you like what we do, what you see here today? Let us know your feedback, and we'll look forward to the next video.